Hello Junior 5, how are you? I'm teacher Nasser and today we'll work on the grammar part of Unit 8 in Time for English. So let's start. Okay, these are my friends, Ben, Sam, Tom and Max. Can you tell me who's the tallest one here? Of course, it's Ben. Ben is the tallest. He's the tallest one. Okay, here I'm comparing between one, Ben, and all the other friends. One and many. It's not only two. I'm comparing between one and many people here. So, Ben is the tallest. But who's the shortest one? Is it Sam? It's Max, of course. Yeah, Max is the shortest one. And again here, I'm comparing between one and many. So, Ben is the tallest and Max is the shortest. Okay, can you guess now what our lesson is about? Bingo! It's about what here? Yes, it's about superlatives. So, we use superlative to compare between one and many members. One and many. So how we can make it? It's very easy. Look here, we have the short adjective plus est. The short adjective est. Very simple. But here, short adjective? Actually, yeah. In English, we have long adjectives and short adjectives. Long adjectives like expensive, like enormous, like interesting. And we have short adjectives. They are small words like big, small, fat, thin, and so on. So we have many short adjectives. So let's focus now on only short adjectives. We have the short adjective est. Let's take an example here. As we said, Ben is the tallest one. And again, Max is the shortest one. Very simple. Okay. So, how to make superlative? The short adjective est. Okay. Some adjectives, you need to think about them before you add your est. Look at them. Here I have easy and happy. These two adjectives, they end with letter Y. Exactly, letter Y. Easy and happy. So, before we add our est, we need to do a step first. We need to cross the Y here, and you're gonna add I, and then put your est. So, easy becomes the easiest. Happy again ends with letter Y. So what shall I do? First, cross the Y and then you're gonna add your iest. So I'm gonna cross Y now and add iest. So happy becomes the happiest. I-E-S-T. So I-S-T, est, the happiest. Easy. Okay, we have other adjectives that we need to think before we add our est. These adjectives end with CVC or consonant, vowel, consonant. Consonant, one vowel, consonant. Look at this example. Like here, big. Big, here we have B is a consonant and I, of course, it's a vowel. And then we have G, again, it's a consonant. Super! So we have here CVC. If you have an adjective that ends with the CVC, you need to double the last letter before you add your est. So what's the last letter here? It's G, letter G, exactly. So in order to make the adjective big, it becomes the biggest, like that. So, the biggest. Okay, now it's your turn. Let's answer some questions together. Here I have, the elephant is the big, bigger, or biggest. Of course, here I have the, so it's superlative. The, short adjective, and est. So gonna be big, bigger, no way. It's biggest, the biggest. The elephant is the biggest animal. Okay, let's move to the second one here. This is the easy, easiest question. Think first. Of course, it's not easy, but here we have the, so it's superlative, so est. But be careful, we said that if you have an adjective that ends with letter Y, we should do what here? Cross Y and then add I, est. So, this one is correct? No, this is not correct. So the correct answer is, of course, the easiest here. So this is the easiest question. Very simple. You are super. Okay, this was for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time. Bye bye.